Did you know that animals talk? It's true. All around us, creatures are constantly communicating in ways that are both fascinating and complex. They don't speak like us, using words and sentences, but they have developed their own unique methods to convey messages. Dolphins, for example, use a series of clicks and whistles to communicate with each other, while bees perform intricate dances to share the location of food sources. Animals use special signals to share information. Meerkats stand guard and alert their group to danger with specific calls, and wolves howl to communicate over long distances. It's a hidden world of whispers, chirps, and gestures. Birds sing to mark their territory and attract mates, while elephants use low-frequency rumbles to stay in touch with their herd. Imagine understanding what your pet dog is trying to tell you. Dogs use body language, barks, and even their eyes to communicate their needs and emotions. Learning about animal communication is like unlocking a secret code. Scientists and researchers spend years studying these behaviors to understand the complex social structures of different species. It allows us to peek into their world. By observing and interpreting these signals, we can gain insights into their lives and behaviors. We can learn so much from the way animals talk to each other. Their communication methods are not just fascinating, but also crucial for their survival and social interactions. Understanding animal language is important for many reasons. It helps us protect endangered species. By learning their calls and signals, we can track them better. This knowledge helps us create safe spaces for them to thrive. Understanding animal communication also helps us take better care of our pets. We can learn to read their moods and understand their needs. This leads to happier and healthier relationships with our animal companions. One way animals communicate is through sound. Birds are famous for their beautiful songs. These songs aren't just pretty music, they carry important messages. Birds use songs to attract mates, defend their territory, and warn each other about danger. Whales also use sound to communicate across vast distances in the ocean. Their haunting calls can travel for miles underwater. These calls help them find food, locate mates, and maintain social bonds. Section 4. Beyond words, body talk, and sense. Animals also communicate without making a sound. This silent communication is often just as effective, if not more so, than vocalizations. By observing their body language, we can understand a lot about their emotions and intentions. They use body language to send clear signals. For instance, the posture of an animal can indicate whether it is feeling aggressive, submissive, or playful. For example, a dog wags its tail when it's happy. This tail wagging can vary in speed and direction, each variation conveying a different message. A cat arches its back and hisses when it feels threatened. This defensive posture is a clear warning to potential threats to stay away. Scent is another powerful communication tool in the animal kingdom. Animals have highly developed senses of smell that allow them to detect and interpret a wide range of scents. Animals release pheromones, which are chemical signals that other animals can smell. These pheromones can convey a variety of messages, from marking territory to signaling readiness to mate. These scents can mark territory, attract mates, or signal danger. For example, a wolf might mark its territory with urine to warn other wolves to stay away, while a female moth might release pheromones to attract a mate from miles away. Understanding these non-verbal cues and chemical signals is crucial for studying animal behavior and ecology. It reveals the complex and fascinating ways animals interact with each other and their environment. Section 5. Technology lends an ear. Technology has revolutionized our understanding of animal communication. Scientists now use special microphones to record and analyze animal sounds. High-speed cameras capture every nuance of their movements and body language. Advanced software helps us decode complex communication patterns, revealing hidden meanings. We are constantly making new discoveries thanks to these amazing technological advancements. Section 6. Bridging the gap. Every new discovery in animal communication brings us closer to understanding the natural world. We are learning that animals have complex and fascinating ways of interacting with each other. Their communication methods are often more sophisticated than we ever imagined. These discoveries challenge our assumptions about animal intelligence and behavior. They highlight the interconnectedness of all living creatures on our planet. Section 7. A symphony of communication. The animal kingdom is alive with a symphony of communication. Each sound, gesture, and movement carries meaning, creating a complex web of interactions that is both fascinating and essential for survival. From the songs of birds, which can signify territory, attract mates, or warn of danger, to the intricate dances of bees, which convey the location of food sources to their hive mates, animals use a diverse array of methods to interact with their environment and each other. These methods are not just limited to sounds and movements, but also include chemical signals, body language, and even electrical pulses. Each species has its own unique language, shaped by evolution and adapted to its specific needs. For instance, dolphins use a series of clicks and whistles to communicate underwater, while elephants use low-frequency rumbles that can travel miles. These communication methods are not static. They evolve over time, adapting to changes in the environment and the needs of the species. By studying these diverse forms of communication, scientists can gain insights into the social structures, behaviors, and even the emotional states of animals. We gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and wonder of the natural world. Understanding animal communication also helps in conservation efforts, as it allows us to better understand the needs and behaviors of endangered species. As we continue to listen and learn, we unlock the secrets of animal communication, revealing the intricate and often hidden ways in which animals interact with each other and their environment. We unlock the secrets of animal communication, discovering new layers of meaning and connection in the natural world. By bridging the gap between our world and theirs, we foster a deeper connection with the creatures we share this planet with, enriching our understanding and appreciation of the diverse tapestry of life.